Hi everyone, this is Ramya here and welcome to A Piece of Cake. This is my first YouTube video for my new baking channel, and please hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you guys back. Thank you all for being So today we will be doing a traditional gingerbread cookie recipe, and we'll do all the walkthroughs step by step. It's completely foolproof. I've done this recipe a few times already and I've given it to all my friends and they love it. So if you want to try gingerbread cookies at home and don't want to buy it from outside, this is a perfect recipe for you guys. Alright, so let's get started by listing our ingredients. We need 2/3 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1 egg at room temperature, so you might want to keep this out for a bit, and then a mix of spices. So this is ground clove, ground cinnamon, and ground ginger, all 1 teaspoon. And then we mix 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and finally 1 cup of plain white sugar. Some of the utensils we might need are a rolling pin and a cookie cutter, and this is any cookie cutter of your preference. I've just chosen a gingerbread cutter. Awesome, so now that we've listed our ingredients, let's take a large bowl and place the butter as well as the sugar. So let's place the 2/3 cup of butter into the bowl and combine it with the 1 cup of sugar. Next, blend it until it is combined, until it's light and fluffy. And as you can see, I am struggling, and mine ended up a bit more crumbly rather than light and fluffy, but if you can get it to a lighter consistency, that would be great. So next you have to beat in the eggs. So just take 1 of the eggs and the molasses and then combine it until it's uniform and looks brown in color, like the next step. There we go. Okay, so once we have combined all of the 4 ingredients at the start, we're now going to take the 2 cups of white all-purpose flour and combine it with our mixture. And if you want to save some of the flour, you can use that for dusting your countertop when you're rolling the cookie dough at the end. Next, we're going to combine our baking soda and salt into our flour mixture. And next, we will combine our spices. So that's the clove, the cinnamon, and the ginger. Okay, I am stuttering a lot, but essentially, you're mixing all of your ingredients together until you get a dough-like consistency. You can use the blender for this. However, I actually used my hands for most of it. The blender is helpful when combining your ingredients, but to get the dough-like consistency, you will want to knead the mixture until it is firm, like so. Okay, so as I've demonstrated with my hands, we will now wrap it in plastic wrap and set it in the fridge for about 2 hours. I did not wait for 2 hours. I took it out ahead of time because I could not wait. So, but you should leave it in for 2 hours or else it will be really hard to roll and the dough will get stuck to your rolling pin. So after the 2 hours are up, or 1 hour if you're lazy like me, then you have to take it out, set it aside, and dust your countertop with the remaining flour that we had saved from earlier in the process. Then just begin rolling out your dough as you would normally, and it should be at least a 1/4 inch of thickness. So once you've rolled it out, begin to use your cookie cutter to cut out the shape that you want. Once you have cut out your cookies, you can place the cookies into a greased pan. You want to preheat your oven to about 350 degrees and then set the timer to 8 to around 10 minutes. I did 10 minutes. And once your cookies are done, place them onto a wired cooling rack and let it cool for about 10 minutes. And we are set. Doesn't that look awesome? So there we have it, our foolproof traditional Christmas gingerbread cookies. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you guys back soon with more yummy treats. Thank you guys, bye!